See, in today's email, I put what was called legal process.
Yes.
And I said that the dissolution of marriage did not qualify as legal process to be able to garnish my wages.
Yes.
And there's these U.S. codes and then the CFRs.
Yes.
And I was absolutely sure that when I didn't get notice of court hearings,
Right.
I didn't get a dissolution of marriage.
No.
The stipulation and order did not regulate the contact between myself and my wife.
Yes.
And the United Nations was not talked to
Yes.
about the dissolution of marriage. That for sure
Yes.
it does violate United States federal laws. Now, I'm not going to court to pay 50 cents a page. Do you understand? And since it violates federal laws,
Yes.
the court orders and the powers of attorney, I put a link in today's email.
Yeah.
Now, this 1-7 and 1-8, they're very, very similar.
Yeah. Yes, they are.
Very similar.
Yeah.
One has to do with, what's it called again? Language for qualifying retirement benefits court order.
Yes.
That's kind of like getting a court order for the retirement benefits, the 5 U.S. Code 8435.
Yes.
Now, the Thrift Savings Plan will honor any court order or court approved property settlement agreement meets these requirements. Yes. Now, in the marriage of the petitioner Heidi Lee Budnick,
Yes.
and Paul C. Budnick,
Yes.
Paul C. Budnick never got a dissolution of marriage. Now, the matter,
Yes.
having come before the court on the motion of the petitioner,
Yes.
in the court after reviewing the motion and being otherwise fully advised on the matter,
Yes.
ordered
Yes.
XYZ individual in the actual federal government, civilian and or uniformed services. That has the implication that there are those that are, well, judges and justices. I gave you a screen print of that. Those that are generals and admirals, 1 to 4 stars for the last 50 years. Could you get me your personal retirement savings from the federal government of the United States? See, I keep emailing your criminal investigative division of the United States Army. And generals just don't want to sign an order that obligates the United States to enforce the actual rights of American citizens. See, your refusal to defend the Constitution of this great nation means that I'm suing you. And when I told you a long time ago, it's like 3.5 years ago, I'm going to put in prison generals and admirals
Yes.
that refuse to
To defend the Constitution.